So what's the purpose? What's it all mean? One of the first things I ask people who are starting a business is, well, what's the purpose? What is it all about? Why is it important to you? And I find that a lot of people overlook this as one of the most important steps when you're creating a business. Knowing your purpose can help you lead to success, or lack of understanding of purpose can ultimately lead to business failure. So what I wanted to do today was run through the process of where you're coming up with starting the business and determining why purpose is such an important factor that you need to understand. Okay, so you have a light bulb moment one day. You want to start a business. Now that's generally born from an emotion, and those emotions can stem from a sense of a need to change, a frustration in the business or situation that you're in. You could have a feeling of emptiness, a sense of excitement, a search for excitement, or you're just bored where you are. So it's generally born from an emotion where you're sitting at the moment. And from that light bulb moment, you then come up with an idea of what product or service do I want to do. And that can come from either a business that you're already in, a skill that you have, something that you've seen someone else do that you want to try, various ideas. A lot of people then kind of stop at that point, get going and try and start this business up. So one of the key points is, well, what's the purpose behind it? Okay, and that's broken up into the personal and business. Now, some people think that they're just automatically linked, but they're not. They could be separated if you're not careful. And an example of that is if you believe and your values are around healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, but the business product or service that you looked at is around unhealthy eating and toxic products, well then the purpose is not aligned with your personal and the business. So you're not going to put the effort in that you would because it's not aligned with the values and what you believe in. Okay, so your values and what you believe in are a big key to the purpose of doing what you're doing. There's something that attracted you to that service, that or idea, that's connected to your values and why you want to do it. So what do you want people to get from this work or from this product or from this service? That's the understanding of the purpose and what you want to give them. Now, if you can link those two up and you can understand, well, with why do I want to do this and what's the purpose behind it, then you can see if the idea that you've come up with for this product or service is actually related. So, like I said before, if your values or what you want to give people is a healthy lifestyle, but the product or the service is complete opposite, well, then you're not going to put the effort in. There's going to be too much conflict within you about what you want to do. But if you want a healthy lifestyle, healthy living, and the product and service promotes that, well, then you're going to go even harder and you're going to work harder to make that succeed. So having this first initial part is great. It's a great step. But if you don't understand the purpose behind it, and it's not connected to why and the values that you hold personally, then that lowers the chance of success. So when you come up with a business idea, ask yourself why. What do I want people to get from this work? Does it match up with the values that I have? And can I link the business and personal purpose to these values? So look at your business idea now, reassess where you are, where you're going, and what you want to give to the world. And then that will help set you on the path if you're on the right track.